All right, so we're going to change this part out. Now, before I do that, I've got the old one here. Now you can, that's how big the old one was. Now let me get the other one. Obviously we haven't pulled it completely apart, but the new one is going to sit quite a bit lower and stick out just a little more. That should be fine. I'm mainly going forward anyway. On the other side, look at this cool pattern that my pack out box makes on the top of my machine. All right, let's pull off the main housing so we can get to the LED plug, and we'll pull this piece off, wire up the LED for this one, and put it all in place. Gotta trace our LED wire back to this board right here. And you can see that we've worked on it before, being the fact that we have solder joints, so that's going to make it easier to make this change. We'll just take those apart. Actually, we have plenty of wire. We may just cut it, strip it, and put new ones on. Removing the old cover. We got the light out, but whenever the little kid jumped on it, they also broke off the heat sink that was on the back of that. Now, I use these little Raspberry Pi aluminum heat sinks for, I think they're for MOSFETs or something, but anyway, they fit great on the back of these things. Just a little dab of the old super glue, and you put the heat sink on, and we're good to go. Voila. We got the LED mounted in the housing. The wires come up through the top, and then they fit inside this channel in the plastic part, and there's a cover plate that goes over them, this piece right here. On a side note, I love this drill because you can do stuff like this when you have to get into tight spots to do installs. Okay, so we got it all mounted in place. Let's turn the light on to test it, and we got good light behind me. I mean, lights up a pretty bright area. Not sure how well this is going to work in the long run, but not a big deal. We can always, spray paint it or something else if it ends up not working out. But yeah, now you just got to put it all back together. Oh, and I got to remove the speaker from the air tag so that if anyone ever steals it, they have a long, hard time trying to find the air tag that's actually hidden somewhere on the vehicle. So aside from that, we're going to put it back together. All right, so we have it mounted. Green light on the front, nice red light on the back. Looks kind of like a cool little trident thing, and I think that's going to work just fine. I can't see it, and that's the important deal. So yeah, I think we're probably good.